Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a GameStop gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamestop.com/giftcards and press enter. You will directly be taken into the GameStop gift cards page now. Now, once you're in this page, you can directly select your design as well as your format, whether you want a digital or a physical one. After choosing both of these, simply click on your amount or click on custom if you want to load a custom amount. Finally, enter the recipient's name and the email address that you want to send it to. Also enter your name underneath the sender name box, and then within the message section, you can type in any message that you want to send towards the receiver. Then click on add to cart, and now you will proceed with the checkout page for GameStop. Just enter your payment information and then finalize your payment by clicking on the checkout button, and your gift card will directly be delivered as soon as the payment process is completed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a gift card on GameStop. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.